Hi, I'm James Healan. I'm a team leader for Cardiff Council, looking at early intervention and prevention in youth services. We're a new team. There's been a restructure in the service, and we're bringing all the team under one heading, which is focusing on outcomes for young people pre-16 and post-16. So the team are made up of senior youth officers, who are professionally qualified youth and community workers. There's 6 of them across the city, organised on a neighbourhood basis, and they have a number of youth mentors. In total, we've currently got 22 youth mentors, pre and post-16, working across the city. Our pre-16 workers are focused on working with those young people identified on the vulnerability assessment profiling tool in secondary schools, and they work one-to-one with young people, removing their barriers to improve things like attendance, attainment and behaviour. We've got a team of post-16 workers whose focus is to engage those young people not in education, training and employment. It's quite a new team, so we're keen to have referrals into the team from various agencies and work closely with partners such as schools and other support agencies to create the best outcomes for children and young people.